So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy Algorand cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up at the bottom in the middle, select the magnifying glass once you're here at the top. The search bar, search by name or symbol. Start typing in Algorand or Algorand. Algo right there. Ticker symbol ALGO. Go ahead and select it. Once it's selected here, the big green buy button at the bottom, go ahead and press it. Then on this page, you can type in how much of Algorand crypto you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then just press review. You can then review the order by seeing how much Algorand you're going to be purchasing, the fees associated, the total cost, and if this looks good to you, at the bottom, you can swipe up to submit. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to buy Algorand cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.